Today I'd like to show about how to git clone. First of all, you have to go the gitlab or github link. I'm open. This is a link. This is my demo github gitlab project link. Just you should clone the project. Just copy. You can copy SSH or HTTPS. Or another way you can do direct zip download. And to show just terminal, uh, press the link and download by the terminal, and just copy this URL. I mm, going to my project folder, create a folder, my project, and open terminal. This is a simple way you can do with your Windows PC with the same step. Just enter and just type git clone and paste your link and hit enter. And this is take a few time to cloning all project. Okay, this is done, and I will show about my file. This is my file. This is my project file. So thank you. uh, it will same about gitlab, github, and others, uh, like uh, like same about git repository. You can clone the all other same gitlab project. You can do the same step. So thank you.